GoingGear.com EDC Club. This is August 2023. Let's see what we got in here. This is the premium box, and it tells us the what we got, an explanation about them, and the prices. We'll look into it closer. First of all, we'll go with the cheapest stuff. This right here, a little like PVC type of plastic self-defense tool. Pretty cool, interesting. Okay, Rovivan. I really like their flashlights, good company. And the value of this flashlight, Aurora A3 Pro Gen 4 Marble Gray, valued at $37. Ooh, the runtime is 72 hours, okay, 650 lumens. Okay, wow, that is bright. That is nice. I could feel the heat. Double click. So it's like a keychain, and if a person hold, quick access to the max. Double click, press again, and then change the light moods. That is easy to use, and turn it off. That is cool. Okay, double click, the brightest. Triple click, we have right here flicker. Very nice, very lightweight. I like it. The clip will go into here, but it is detachable for just keychain. If we want to have a clip, boom, we have a clip. Detach it, just a flashlight. Pretty awesome, very lightweight, and look at that. It is as big as half of my finger. I have big hands though. Okay, next we have right here Victorinox. Let's see what kind. Beautiful. Okay. So first of all, we have right here nice pull, lock, Victorinox Swiss Army knife. Sweet. There's like a rope cutter in a sense, Skinner, not really sure. Okay, what else we have right here? Okay, that's just a double knife. So then there's a liner lock, just pull on that and close it. I like it. What's in the back? A screwdriver. So 3 tools looks like. Am I missing anything? No, just 3 tools. Very cool knife with the screwdriver. How much a knife like that would cost? About $73. Very nice. Okay, what else we have here? Concept. I love Concept. This is the Finner, and this one is for the premium. This is the $188 value. That's nice. They sold out on a lot of websites. Concept was really popular. I like them a lot. I have quite a few as well. Concepts, high quality box for sure, high quality multi-tools. Look at that. Flicks out this way. Wow, that is cool. I like that kind of like I don't know, spear style, sword style. So there's 2 ways of holding it, for the precision cutting this way, for like a regular holding on a handle this way. Very smart. There's the designer logo, very cool. Clip, feels like titanium. So yeah, very smooth. And this is a phone flipper for those people who does not know knives too much. There's a thumb stud, left to right hand, phone flipper, very flickering. I like that knife a lot. Wow, flicks out super well, and look how smooth that is. I don't think I can do that with this finger, so you gotta do it with the thumb. Very cool box for sure. High quality items. As you can see, it is focused on few items, but very high quality items. Instead of bunch of junk that is cheap junk, we got brand names. And they said here, this is popular things, combat technology made in USA. But this is kind of like what addition to it. Let's see how much this is. $8. That's what I thought it would be, the cheap stuff. But all these 3 items, this is $100 value plus $180. This is $290 plus 8, so almost $300 value. What it cost for that box is about $200 for the premium, I think. So this is very worth it. I love subscription boxes, especially like the high quality stuff like that. Let me know in comments below what do you think. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.